Welcome to Smart Start Quebec. The Ignition Interlock device you will receive is simple, reliable, and proven. Our customer service is available 24/7 to assist you. This video will show you how to use your device properly to successfully complete your program. Before starting, you must pass a breathalyzer test. Turn the key to the start position, or if your vehicle is equipped with a push button, press the button once without pressing the brake pedal. You cannot start your vehicle without performing a test. Attempting to start your vehicle without blowing into the device constitutes a violation of the program. Under no circumstances may you use a remote starter to start your vehicle. Rinse your mouth with water before taking the test to avoid any contaminants. The device will guide you through the test. Once the ignition is turned on, it will initialize, ask you to wait, and then ask you to blow into it. The device then analyzes the breath sample and displays one of two possible results: pass or fail. If mouth closer appears, make sure your lips are properly sealed around the mouthpiece. Wait for blow to try again.
Blow softer
means you are blowing too hard. Reduce the pressure. If you inhale while your mouth is on the mouthpiece just before performing a test, the screen may display the message, "Do not inhale." Wait for blow to try again. If the sample is alcohol-free, the screen will display pass, and you can start the vehicle. If fail is displayed, this means that alcohol has been detected, and you will not be able to start your vehicle. If the startup fails, the device will lock for 5 minutes. You can then make a second attempt by submitting another breath sample. A second failure will result in a 5-minute lockout, and so on until you pass a test. You must pass a test in order to start your vehicle. Any positive alcohol test will be recorded and sent to the Société in real time. Once started, you will be asked to perform road tests at random intervals. The first test will be requested within 15 minutes of starting the engine, and subsequent tests will be requested at random within 45 minutes of the first test. When the device requests a road test, you will have 3 minutes to perform it. It is recommended that you park your vehicle in a safe place where it is permitted to perform your test. Your interlock device will never stop the vehicle while you are driving. If you skip a test while driving or fail the test, you may be in violation of the program. If a road test detects alcohol, or if you do not take the required test, the screen will display "Stop Engine." You must then pull over to the side of the road and wait for 2 minutes before taking another test. You have 5 minutes to complete the test.
You must take a test even if you turn off the vehicle's engine. The screen will display "Wait for test" and "Turn off engine."
If you refuse to take a test or turn off the engine, audible and visual alarms will sound. A violation will then be recorded and sent to the Société in real time. When a grace period is displayed, a follow-up visit, at your expense, will be required according to the time period displayed on your device. You will need to contact the Smart Start call center to schedule an appointment. Furthermore, if you do not arrive at a service center within the required time frame, the device will be permanently locked. You will not be able to perform any further tests or start the vehicle. You will then have to be towed at your own expense or contact the call center to obtain an unlock code so that you can get to your appointment. A garage code is available for repairs on a vehicle equipped with an immobilizer. It can be obtained through our call center at the participant's expense. When the engine is turned off at the end of a driving cycle, a message indicating "Restart 3 minutes" appears on the screen. This feature allows you to restart the vehicle within this time frame without having to provide another breath sample. However, it does not cancel random road test requests. In case of emergency or force majeure, you can request a unique bypass code, which allows you to start the vehicle without having to provide a breath sample. You must contact the call center to obtain this code, explaining the reason for your emergency. When the emergency code function is used, the device displays a message saying,
lockout violation,
informing the driver that they must take the vehicle to a service center within 5 days at their own expense. Under no circumstances may you remove the device yourself or have it removed by a third party not authorized by SmartStart. Nor may you modify it or have it modified, or render it inoperable or have it rendered inoperable. Doing so constitutes a violation of the program, and your license may be suspended by the Société. When a service appointment is approaching, the screen will display "Appointment in 7 days." You can check your device at any time to find out the date and time of your service appointment by pressing the hash keys 1. If you do not attend your calibration appointment, a 5-day period begins with the message
Service lock, 5 days.
After this period, the device locks and displays Service lock. It is no longer possible to start the vehicle. Failure to attend a calibration appointment will result in the device being permanently locked. The message
Violation lock
will appear, and this constitutes a violation of the program. SmartStart immobilizers are designed to withstand the extreme cold and heat of Quebec's climate. It is recommended that you always bring your device inside when you leave your vehicle. Good news! It is now possible to install a SmartStart device on certain motorcycles. For installation to be possible, the motorcycle must be equipped with hard cases to safely house the device. To find out if your motorcycle is compatible, contact our call center. The device is used slightly differently than the one installed in a vehicle. While driving, you will have 20 minutes to perform a random test. You must pull over to a safe location to perform the test. Some common products may contain alcohol and thus cause a positive test result. It is therefore important to be vigilant after using substances such as perfume, window cleaner, hand sanitizer, mouthwash, toothpaste, kombucha, or any other product containing alcohol. To avoid false results, wait a few minutes after using these products, rinse your mouth with water before blowing into the device, and make sure the cabin is well ventilated. You now have all the information you need to successfully complete your program and get back on the road safely. If you have any questions about your Ignition Interlock device, visit our SmartStart Quebec website. Remember, we are here to support you every step of the way.